little video of my younger cousin exploring nature. Fafa. I do say his real name on TikTok, but I don't on YouTube. But if you hear Fafa, you might be able to picture what that is. Although I don't say anything else about him. Other than he was born in the same month as I was. Dude. So we have this baseball. One of our neighbors threw. Oh. Into our yard. Oh. Fuck. You want to go on the biggest, diggiest snow hill ever? Ah! My shoe is wet. Yes, I have really tiny feet for my age. Everyone's already wearing 5s. Oh my god. So, like, we're exploring nature. Oh! Just stand up. It's okay. I know it's cold. You can do it. Okay. Good job. You stood up. Most people don't do that. Yeah, I mean a lot of people. They're always like going and crying to their moms. Dinosaur, don't do that. Dino, can you give me a dance? Can you dance? Can you stomp? Can you stomp? Can you stomp? Can you stomp? Can you? Okay, he's got it. I try to avoid getting him in the rocks because technically otherwise then he, yeah. Oh. Careful. Still our dino dance. Now, even though I don't like him on the rocks, I still have to let him do it. Otherwise he cries. You want to play with the sled? Okay, but you can't go on it. And if you are on it... Alright. Very interesting. Okay. I just knew I messed up at this point. What is it? No, you can't get the shovel. Dude, you can't get the shovel. I know. Isn't that funny that you can't get the shovel? Hold on. I really need to wear different shoes. Let me check real quick at the entrance of my house. I'm going to put that down here because I don't want you to fall and get hurt. I don't trust him. I'm going to wear those shoes instead and quickly run outside because I don't even have time to check. Oh, well, that's like, I think. Oh, don't grab the shovel! No! The sled was a joke, not the shovel! Put the shovel down right now, Miles. Miles, you drive a hard bargain, but okay, fine. Okay, pick it up. You want it. It's too heavy. I could check in the garage if there's something lighter. Ah! Dude, I'm offering you to go on this little mini hill and you're trying to shovel snow? Your son's doing chores! And I'm trying to film a YouTube video of him and he's doing chores. All right. What's that noise? You want to go on the mini snow hill? Yeah, guys. So I got snow on my shoe. Stupid shoe. Stupid shoe. Dumbass shoe. Anyways, we are... You guys might have to wait a little while because I'm not wasting my time editing a video. Because then people are going to think I don't post anything. Ready? It's really fun. Yes, it's really fun. It's really fun. Ready? You gotta sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Ready? 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 Woo! Was that fun? Wasn't that fun? Oh. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Are you okay? Let's take that off your bonbon. There we go. I don't think he got the whole fun of sledding. I'll get you in a second. I'm gonna get frostbite if I don't put on my shoe because it's 35 degrees. Here. And you guys stay there. Have fun. Thank you. Or at least sit on there. It's okay. All right. You're a lot of work, mister. Dude, you're a pain in the bum bum. You know? I'll go grab the sled. No, don't try and climb up the stairs again. You lasted so far 7 minutes, 43 seconds outside. Our goals for 15. And for 1 minute. All right, the snow's melting in my shoes. How wonderful is that? Snow's also melting, as you can see. So snow is no longer chilly. Do you see the little path we made? And you're complaining that it's too hot out here. You want to sit on this? Ready? Vroom, vroom. Want to sit on it? Look. Look. We sit on it. Okay. I'll go here. Wait, no. Ready? You're going to like it. Trust me. Ready? Oh, come on. Dude, you like it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Ready? Ready? Try. Ready? Go. You're a big boy. Now sit down. Sit down on it. He doesn't get the whole point of sledding. Now, sit down on it. Like this. Sit down on it, okay? Ready? You try now. Sit down. Ready? Ready? Woo! Oh my god. You don't like sitting on sleds. Ready? Cousin will sit down. Ready? Sit down. Like this. And then, because of what, get up and she'll sit down. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Woo! Woo! At least he sat down. Okay, let's get back. Here. Here, pass me your hair. Okay, here. I'll help you sit on it. Give me 1 second, everyone. Because you're going to get... I'm sorry. Ready? Ready? Up. Hold it up. Hold on. It's okay. We'll go inside in 4 minutes, okay? Alright. Try it now? Yeah, I know. I get you a distraction. Well, kind of crazy, but if you sit on the sled like a big boy, you can watch iPad too. Come on, trust me. All right, no, we're not doing this. She wants to go inside, but we're gonna go trade in this way because we're not having the same thing that happened happen again. Can you say like and subscribe? Say like and subscribe. Say everyone. Okay, he wants to go inside. We gotta take him in. You sure not even for a video? I'll get him a video, but it's probably not gonna be on camera.